Hi everybody, welcome to Cooking with Noi show, and thank you so much for watching my channel. Anyway, today I'm gonna make sticky rice. How to make sticky rice? Everybody asking me. And today is it's a night. Tomorrow I'm gonna make chicken and cook with the sticky rice. So behind me those are chicken lap. And if you're watching my video before, you already know how to make chicken lap. Now I'm gonna make how to make sticky rice. So this is the glutinous rice or sticky rice. วันนี้เขาสิมาเฮ็ดวิธีหนึ่งข้าวเหนียวเนาะสำหรับคนลาวส่วนใหญ่ก็คือสิบ่มีปัญหาเรื่องนี้เพราะว่าเขากินตั้งแต่น้อยจนใหญ่เนาะค่อยนี่นึ่งข้าวเหนียวเป็นตั้งแต่5 ปีตั้งแต่บ่ทันเข้าโรงเรียนว่าซั่นเนาะแต่ว่าสิเฮ็ดโชว์ใส่เพราะว่ามีคนบางคนที่ว่าเขาเจ้านึ่งข้าวบ่ทันเป็น The reason I make these because some people they don't know how to make sticky rice, and for me I make it soak the rice on the night before, so tomorrow morning like in the morning you can cook it, or you can like soak it at least 1 hour. 50. It's actually different kind of rice, people. This is the sticky rice, glutinous rice, not jasmine rice. So we used to, we have to cook with the steam. And the steam rice, like the jasmine rice, we cook in the pot. So now we're gonna clean the rice, you know, just like that. Because we don't know what is, you know, the processing, so we just kind of clean it. Clean it like with the water and then rinse the water out like that. Be careful because you don't want to pour all the rice away. เอามาข้าวเนาะพี่น้องเนาะสำหรับคนลาวส่วนใหญ่ก็คือสิบ่มีปัญหาเพราะว่าเขามากันกินทุกมื้อทุกวันอยู่แล้วนะเนาะ It's very traditional thing and it's very good for your hair. But over here, it's hard to find gaffy line. I want to do that way too, but I don't have a gaffy line. It looks like a line, but the skin, it looks like a grain. You know, like they have like a, it's not smooth skin. Yeah. See, after I washing like that, look. Now the water is like kind of clear. Now I'm just gonna soak like I'm gonna put water all the way on the top because this rice after you soak in the water for like hour, 2 hour, whatever, it's gonna extend it like that. See, that is like this far from the rice to the and what else? Yeah, at least 1 hour before you cook it. Set on the side. This is ready to steam for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna come finish up my video. I forgot to tell you in the video that you're supposed to put water in the pot too. is the bamboo sticky rice box. Open it up. This is the leftover. You can reheat the leftover, but I'm gonna put it in the bag because I'm gonna make it to bring it to work. Anyway, we don't wanna the steam, because if you put right after you're done cooking to the box, and then the steam is coming out. If you don't have a steam rice box, steam come out, so it will not the steam will not make your rice soak it in with water again, because if you put right in the sticky rice box, the steam come up, and there's no way the steam can come out. It's just gonna be like stay in there, so the water can get the rice and it's not gonnaกดแชร์ให้นี่เด้อเป็นกำลังใจคนไกลบ้านเนาะขอบใจบาย